silent battles, unseen hardships, and dreams waiting to rise. This is the reality of poverty and inequality behind the struggles. It's time to pay again. Where am I supposed to get the money for this? It's really hard now. Everything is expensive, even tuition. Hello, ma?
Hello, nak. Imong manghod na hospital.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. What is your concern?
One, sir. Wala mo ko ka-take sa akong exam at ang class, sir. Then, because my brother is sick, sir, then na-hospital siya at the time, sir, then I have concern, sir, then wala mo ko ka-take. Then, nabakoy chance na.
It's not my problem. The grades have been already submitted. I can't do anything about it anymore.
Sir, kanang wala na dyan kayo mga sir, kaya wala man dyan ko pabayad dito sa accounting na ito na time, sir. Ay, nag-lisod dito yun, sir.
I'm sorry, but that's not my problem anymore.
Hello, love. Let's go eat.
Uy, love! Sakto! I really need to unwind.
Let's go.
Dah, wala ko ibang pliti. Sige lang, para lang kay Lalabs.
Na, maulang sa niya itong budgeton karong adlaw kay mahal na kaayo ang mga palaliton. Kung maurasad niya makaya na mo sa inyong papa.
Sa man na, ay, balik-balik na naman natong sudan, ani?
Tarinin niyo.
Grabe mo nagtrabuyan yun! Huwag na nakalisot!
Si Papa, hubog na po. Sige na makakahubog pa, oy!
Sir, mo reklamo daw! Ay, nagreklamo to po yan! Buya ko!
Sa ginawa. Nung sa mo.
Ako sang teksan si Lalabs, B. I really need comfort yun ron, ay. Nice. Hala, di lagi siya mo reply, no? Ano ka to? Lakaw na lang ko ako.